চলে এসেছি Banjhakri Waterfalls, Sikkim Government Tourism. Let's have a look. আরো যেগুলো এখানে সাইট সিনে আছে সেগুলো তাথাগত সাল, রাবং, গুরু পদ্মসম্ভবা, it's at Namchi, then Siddheshwar Dham, Dharmachakra Center, Roomtex, Shomgu Lake, State Animals, Panda. Okay, this is the Banjhakri Waterfalls. This is the entrance. Waterfalls এর আওয়াজটা আসছে, very adventurous. দেখে নেই the sound of the waterfalls. Banjhakri Waterfalls, Sikkim. নাম জানি না, খাবি খাবার কি আছে? দারুণ scenic beauty of this place is awesome. This is our way to the waterfalls. Sikkim, which is also called an organic state. It's wonderful, almost pollution free, very neat and clean. Have a glimpse, another glimpse of the waterfalls. Slowly we are moving ahead towards it. Want to share the feeling of it with you. Wonderful, lush green environment, everywhere sound of the water. I think this is not man-made, it's all natural over here. The bamboo shoot. Some stunts are happening over here. People are enjoying wonderful stunts. There's the waterfall. Look at the force, the vibrancy of the waterfall. People are enjoying stunts over here. You can have a glimpse of that too.